decided you want to destroy your web design. Kill it, annihilate it, obliterate it. Make it so bad people want to kill themselves after seeing it. I'll show you 5 ways to do just that. Step 1. Use terrible contrast. Pick colors for text and backgrounds that are so bad you can't read anything, and images and icons just disappear. Step 2. Random fonts. Use as many fonts as possible in one single design. A single sentence, a single word, a single alphabet. Make your text impossible to read. Step 3. Use random buttons. Create buttons that look like anything, like this face of a gorilla to translate text. This will confuse and destroy users about where to click, because that, my friend, is the goal. Step 4. Overuse stock photos. If you're subscribed, I think we both know you know this, so I'm not getting into it. Step 5. Use all the animations you can possibly find.